guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing some raw Indian hair texture that I got from a company called CHENNAI Hair Factory. Now CHENNAI Hair Factory has a sister company called CHENNAI Hair Suppliers. They are a factory based in Chennai. CHENNAI Hair Factory is a factory based in Chennai, but they do have an outlet in Dubai. Now their Dubai outlet is mostly for their wholesale customers, so they do have budgeted prices for people who are looking to buy wholesale from their Dubai outlets. Okay, so the Dubai outlet is open for every customer from Africa, you name it, any part of the world, Europe. As long as you're interested in wholesale, the CHENNAI Hair Suppliers Dubai outlet will be the best bet for you. Now CHENNAI Hair Suppliers also carry Remy and raw hair as well. They carry Remy hair as well as raw hair, so everything depends on what you want and your budget. They do have a budgeted price discount for people who are looking to buy wholesale from the company. So without rambling too much, I'm going to dive in and show you guys the hair that I got from this company. Now they do also have lace closures and frontals. They have 4x4 lace closures. They can also make custom lace closures for you. So if you're looking at 13x6 frontals or 13x4 frontals, the company can also make those custom frontals and closures for you. But what they do have in stock readily at the moment is their 4x4 closures. So yeah, I ordered 4 bundles plus a 4x4 closure. Now I wasn't willing to wait for the long time for them to make the 5x5 closure for me, so I decided to just get what they have in stock, which is the 4x4 lace closures, and I got their raw Indian natural curly bundles in the length 24 inches. Alright, so I got 4 bundles in the length 24 inches and a 4x4 lace closure in the length 22 inches as well. You guys, I'm a sucker for Indian hair, and you know I always love buying raw Indian hair textures. I don't know, I'm just obsessed. So it comes in just a standard packaging like this. There isn't really anything fancy about the packaging, and we are just listed with 4 bundles. So I'm gonna start off showing you guys one bundle at a time real quick so you guys can see. This is the first bundle. Like I said, all 4 bundles is in the length 24 inches. So yeah, this is what, okay, do y'all see this? Like, hey, can you guys see the gorgeousness? Like, look. It smells fresh, like it smells like it's just been washed. Look at the, like I can't even talk. But yeah, this is what one bundle looks like. I'm going to attach close-ups of the hair so you guys can really get to see. I love the ringlet thing going on towards the end of the hair as well. So yeah, this is what one bundle looks like. My hands are going through the bundle. It is full from root to tip. I'm also not seeing any red fibers. I'm not seeing anything of that sort. I'm going to be looking through these bundles like thoroughly, because you guys but yeah, this is what one bundle of the hair looks like. Let me move on and show you guys the rest of the bundles quickly. This is the second bundle, and you can see silky. My hands are going through the bundle as well. It is so pretty. Like, you guys, I wish you guys can feel this hair. Like, I wish y'all can just pull your hands through and just feel the silkiness. It's gorgeous. So this is the second bundle. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys the third bundle because I don't want to waste too much time. So yeah, this is the second bundle. Now this is the third bundle. You guys, this has got to be my favorite bundle out of, look at the ringlets, like Jesus, can you guys see this? Like, this is beautiful. Like, I can't even wait to make this into a wig. So this is the third bundle. So soft, like super soft, like, you guys. Now I did notice that 2 of the bundles is actually lighter than the other 2. Yeah, this one is more of like a lighter bundle compared to the other 2 bundles. So yeah, this is the third bundle. This is the very last bundle. This is what it looks like. as well. My hands are also going through this bundle effortlessly, as you guys can see. So I'm going to put all 4 bundles together so we can see the thickness. So this is what all 4 bundles of hair is looking like. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys what the closure looks like. Now this is what the closure looks like. So it's a standard 4x4 closure. The closure is nicely, it's well pre-plucked. As you guys can see, I'm going to come in closer for you guys to see the closure. It is pre-plucked, so you don't need to do too much. The knots are also pretty small on the closure. The knots are not thick at all. Look at the end. Look at this closure. Look at the curl pattern. Like, I wish you guys can just see this. Like, I wish y'all can feel this hair. Like, gorgeous. Gorgeous. So this is all 4 bundles plus the closure. Now the company does make custom 5x5 laces, but like I said, I couldn't wait for them to customize the 5x5 closure for me. I had to just get what was available in stock, and that's why I opted for their 4x4 closures. So yeah, I'm going to leave all of the links to this company in the description box. I'll leave the links to their WhatsApp as well as their Instagram page and their website. All information of this company will be listed down below. I'm also going to attach several pictures and videos of the company so you guys can just, you know, have a glimpse of what this company looks like as well as what their Dubai outlets look like. Like I said, they are a sister company. CHENNAI Hair Factory is a company based in CHENNAI, but they do have an outlet in Dubai for African customers or other people who are looking to buy wholesale. So all of these hairs was gotten from the company called CHENNAI Hair Suppliers. Once again, they are an affiliated company to the company called CHENNAI Hair Factory. Okay, so yeah, I'll leave all of the links to this company in the description box so you guys can go check them out. Thank you guys once again for stopping by and watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment, okay? And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.